In today's show, we'll be discussing Bitcoin and how much it's really worth, which is much less than you think. We'll be taking a look at new data from CoinMetrics, which suggests that the true Bitcoin price is far less than what we're led to believe, because what we need to look at is the realized market cap. We'll be discussing this on today's show. On today's show, we'll also be talking about this indicator, which gives the first bullish signal since Bitcoin's price bottom. And of course, we'll be talking about the Bitcoin price action, where we're currently at in the market and where we may go from here. All this and more on today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day. Be sure to click the subscribe button as well as the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. All right, so let's get into the top story of the day and figure out the true Bitcoin price. Bitcoin's reported $172 billion market cap may be a point of pride for cryptocurrency enthusiasts everywhere, but how accurate is it as a measure of Bitcoin's worth? According to this new data from CoinMetrics, it's far less than what we're led to believe. And here's why. The Bitcoin market cap diverges widely from the realized cap. The market cap of Bitcoin is calculated by multiplying the number of coins in circulation by the current Bitcoin price. Hence, 17,905,500 Bitcoin at $9,605 per coin results in a market cap of $171.9 billion at the time of shooting this. All right, now here's the kicker. This method assumes all coins have the same market value when in fact, most were bought at different times and at radically different prices. According to CoinMetrics, the realized cap takes this into account rather than quote a price that values nearly 18 million coins, many of which are lost forever based on what the last one traded for. Realized cap, on the other hand, values each coin at the time it was exchanged. So if a coin was last touched for $2,500 in 2017, that particular coin would be priced at $2,500 instead of the current market price, which is $9,600. Using this method reveals Bitcoin's total realized market cap to be just $100 billion, a 41% reduction on what's displayed on CoinMarketCap. In fact, Bitcoin's realized market cap only just crossed the 100 billion barrier on August 25th. That's right, the realized Bitcoin price just hit a new all-time high. We covered that right here on the show. These calculations use the last time a coin was transferred to calculate the price it was purchased at, so there's still room for error. However, it's not all bad news because the same data shows that Bitcoin is slowly drawing closer to its true value. Another thing to consider is Bitcoin sellers are disappearing fast. The chart below shows the distribution of holders ordered by the price range at which they bought Bitcoin. And as you can see, the largest weighting of holders can be found in and around the $10,000 range, as you can see right here on the screen by taking a look at this graph. However, this wasn't always the case. As recently as January 2018, the majority of coin holders were those who have bought in closer to the all-time high of the $20,000 range, as you can see right here in this graph. So the reduction in those red bars over the past 18 months is a sign that many of the high price holders have sold off their assets, which is good news for Bitcoin's price stabilization, since it means the majority of those who are the most likely to sell have already done so. So this is actually bullish news for Bitcoin reaching the $100 billion realized market cap, which is the true market cap, not what you see over at CoinMarketCap.com. All right, and in other crypto news, the Bitcoin price may have fallen over the course of the past 2 days, but the overall trend over the year thus far has been up. I would say all the way up. Absolutely. And an end to the correction could soon be here. One crypto analyst spotted an extremely bullish signal on the Bitcoin price indicator that hasn't given such a signal since the first ever crypto asset bottomed out in the low $3,000 range. And it's the OBV indicator, which shows bullish divergence. Bitcoin price could spike as a result. The Bitcoin price is amidst deeper and longer than most investors expected after witnessing just how fast the crypto asset rose to $20,000 in 2017 and during this recent parabolic rally from the $3,000 range where Bitcoin set its bear market bottom. The correction first began in late June and is now over 2 months long in duration. During that time, Bitcoin price has fallen over 30% from $13,800 high for the year, where it was rejected by the resistance level where the bear market all began. But that level may soon be broken, as one crypto analyst has discovered powerfully bullish signal on the USD/BTC chart indicator that hasn't occurred since Bitcoin rocketed out from the deepest depths of the bear market, never looking back. And taking a look at this tweet from crypto analyst Phil B, it says, I'm long BTC. First OBV bullish divergence on the 4 hours since 3350. Live by the sword, die by the sword. Crypto analyst Phil B actually nailed various calls throughout Bitcoin's parabolic rally, says that the OBV indicator is showing the first bullish divergence since the first ever crypto asset at its bottom. The last time the signal was green, Bitcoin price saw over 300% growth from there in just a matter of 6 months. OBV stands for on balance volume, and according to Investopedia, it's a technical trading momentum indicator that uses volume to predict changes in the price of an asset. In this case, Bitcoin, a bullish divergence occurs when prices reach a new low, while the indicator fails to do so and sets a higher low. Crypto analysts and traders use these tools to help them predict where the market direction is going. The bullish divergence on the OBV indicator can be seen on the 4-hour chart. Signals on higher time frames provide the most weight in any technical analysis. So another 300% rise from 10,000 would take Bitcoin to double its previous all-time high at 20,000 and set a new all-time high at $40,000. And that new all-time high got me feeling like
crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa, I don't really ever buy stocks, man. No. Haters wanna say I'm in a bubble, man. No. Chew them up like bubble gum. No. Just made a meal with my pocket change. No. Wreck about to go and join the huddle gang.
The last time the Bitcoin price grew by 300%, it only took 6 or so months. The leading crypto by market cap at 40,000 6 months from now would follow along with the predicted trajectory of Plan B's stock to flow model, which suggests that the Bitcoin price will reach $55,000 by May of 2020 when the Bitcoin halving occurs. And when that happens, I'll be feeling like
crypto gang, it's the game, big gang, alt gang, light gang, cash game, blockchain. Whoa.
All right, now let's take a look at the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. As you can see, we're currently right here trading at about $9,599. So it's safe to say about the $9,600 range. You can see the exponential moving averages is one of them is exactly where we're at right now, supporting where we're at. And the other three are actually way above. We have one currently at about the $9,800 level. We have another at about the $10,150 level, and then we have the purple exponential moving average currently at about $10,300 level. And taking a look at the Bitcoin margins, you can see that the bulls are currently winning with a 23 million superiority over the bears. As you can see, we got 50.87% longs versus 49.13% shorts. And now taking a look at the daily Bitcoin charts, we can see the exponential averages. We have a death cross right here, which is typically not a good sign for Bitcoin. When we see that happen, typically there is a big dump. And as you can see, as that happened, we actually did dump. And it looks like right now we're consolidating at about the $9,600 level. We do have a strong exponential moving average serving at support at the level we're currently at, which you can see right here, the green line. And then we have the purple one all the way down at about the $8,400 level. Now, what would be interesting if Bitcoin continues to dump to this price, because as we pointed out in a previous show, that's where the CME future gaps lie at about the $8,400 to $9,000 range. And in the past, every time there's been a gap in the CME future charts, we revisit and close that gap. Will that happen again here with Bitcoin? Time will tell. Personally, I would like to see Bitcoin break the $10,000 critical support. That is important for us to continue moving up. However, it's not the end of the world if Bitcoin drops down to the $84,000 to $9,000 range, because more than likely it's just going to spark a bullish divergence. We've seen it time and time again with Bitcoin. In order to reach new highs, we have to go low. You know, that's just the nature of cryptocurrency. So regardless what happens, I am still very bullish on the Bitcoin price. I believe next month, as we're going into September, is a huge month for Bitcoin, especially with the backed futures launch. All right, so now let's take a quick look over at Coin360. You can see Bitcoin currently trading at $9,598, a little bit in the green, right? Ethereum is currently trading at $168. And did you hear Max Kaiser's Ethereum prediction? I covered it on previous show. He believes that Ethereum may go down to $90. Crazy, right? XRP is currently up 0.44% for the day, trading at 25 cents. EOS is up 0.69%, trading at $3.23. Miss Litecoin is down, trading at $63.76, down 1.1% for the day. Well, that concludes today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button as well as click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest crypto news. And oh yeah, before I forget, don't forget to check out the description right below this video. I've included some incredible resources to help you take your crypto game to that next level, including access to my private crypto Facebook group, which currently has about 20,000 like-minded members where we discuss what's going on in the crypto markets, as well as my crypto Telegram chat where we mastermind and discuss what's going on in these crazy markets. I hope to see you there, so go ahead and check the description right below the video, and I'll see you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.